How can ICT for development be used to provide sustainable development to least developing countries is the topic. For you who haven't defined ICT, let me quickly paint the picture for you. Information communications and technology has been described as the means whereby developing countries can leapfrog over development stages and technological barriers to achieve both economical growth and broad-based development. ICT in the Republic of Georgia can help with the eradication of poverty. The Republic of Georgia is very much in favor of ICT for development, with 40% of its population of 4.6 million living under the poverty line. ICTs can help improve education systems and work practices through the development of skills that are particularly beneficial with the information society. I'm looking forward to a productive conference.